Hey everyone, welcome to Winnie Studio and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. So today we will be talking about skin smoothing filter on Photoshop. And if you are still using the older version of Photoshop, then I highly recommend you to get a newer version, and it's available only on the newer version of Photoshop. And with the help of just two sliders, we can achieve this effect easily. And yes, so without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. And before that, I would like to thank all of my Patreon supporters. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your support, and your support means a lot to me. And with that note, let's dive into the video. So first, if you want to download the same image, check on the description list below. And before doing anything else, let's remove some of the blemishes. And this is what I do when I have to do some skin retouch things. So let's remove the blemishes. So for that, let's create a new layer. And I like to use the healing brush tool. I really love this one because it's really easy to use. So select the healing brush tool. And from here, let's choose it to current and below. Select this one. And let's press Alt and click, and let's erase this one. Alt and click to remove some of these parts. I'll just keep those as it is, and I'll just remove the bigger blemishes. And let's remove some of these parts here, and let's do the same thing over here too. So here we have, now let's merge this layer and make a copy. So for that, Control Shift Alt and E, and it's on a new layer. Now right click, let's convert it as a smart object. Let's increase the smoothing. So here you can see the difference. And let's increase the blur. So the more you increase the blur, the skin textures become more blur. So let's keep it right around here. And let's click OK. Let's click on that filter mask, and let's go to the brush, and let's change it to black, and let's remove this effects from these eyes. So I don't want to make that eyes blur. Maybe right over here too, and maybe on the lips too. Let's make it. So this is what we have now. This is before and this is after, and with the help of just two sliders, we're done. So I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video.